Okay, the very first thing that you see when you open Flash Professional is the splash screen, which we're looking at the minute. It allows you to open any of the recent documents you've had open, which are going to be different on your computer. It also allows you to create a new Flash document, which is the very first thing we're going to do now. So click on New Flash Document here. When this opens up, you'll see in front of you an area in the middle of the screen which we call the stage. And the reason we call it the stage is because that's where all the action takes place, and that's where we're going to write our game. Across the top of the screen, this area is called the timeline. And if you look where it starts at 1, it goes all the way up to, well, it can be thousands. It's unlimited amount of frames. These are the amount of changes that you're going to have in your game. We're just going to focus on the first one at the minute. And what we're going to do is we're just going to change the background color of our stage at the minute. Very bottom of the screen you see background. And I'm going to decide on a nice color for our game. I think I'm going to make it nice blue color to start off with. Maybe not that color, maybe a bit brighter. How's that? And I'm also going to change what's called the frame rate beside it. So just like any animation that you see on TV, the number of pictures that you see a second, if it's a higher number, it's a smoother animation. If it's a lower number, the things that move around seem to be a bit jerky. So I'm going to change it to 24. And as with any other program, as soon as I start off a new document, the first thing that I should always do, as you all know, is save that document. So I'm going to save as. I'm going to save it in my documents, and I'm going to call it the bomb game, which should give you a little clue about what this game is going to be about. Just going to save that. And there we go. We're up to scratch now. We're ready to start our game.